Hello and welcome to SGN Tech Forum. So this is SecuX Crypto Wallet Part 2. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use the wallet, right? In Part 1, we have initialized the wallet. That means we have set up the PIN and 24-word passphrase, which translate into your private keys. Now in this video, we are going to focus on usability, right? So how you are going to connect to your wallet, which is shown on my screen. So this is the hardware wallet. How you're going to connect to this using a mobile phone or maybe a desktop app, and then how you can create accounts and buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the same time, send or receive cryptocurrencies or tokens, right? So that's what we are going to do in this part of the video. All right, so let me first show you the agenda for today. We are focused on SecuX V20 hardware wallet. Okay, there are a couple of models available, but we are focused on V20. So by now, I am assuming that you have seen the part 1 video. If you haven't, then this is the link, and I'm going to paste this link in the description section. So feel free to go and watch part 1. Assuming you are the owner or you are potentially looking to purchase a wallet. Okay. In this part, what we are going to do, we are going to install the mobile app. I am focused on mobile communication with your hardware wallet, though there is an app, desktop app available. All right, for ease of use, obviously. Then we will see how you can connect to your hardware wallet. When you first connect your hardware wallet, or after, when you connect after a long time on time, you need a software upgrade or called firmware upgrade because it's a small device, right? Once we finish that, we will create an account and I'll show you when you are connected to your wallet, how to navigate around, right? And finally, the main purpose of having a hardware wallet, which is buy and sell cryptocurrencies, sell, send or receive cryptocurrencies. All right. So let me play the video and I'll talk through the video. Okay. On the left side, you can see this is the manual which we received from hardware wallet. I have scanned it and set it here. And now in my app store, I'm using iPhone. In my app store, I search SecuX Mobile, and as you can see, there are a couple of apps available. So the first one is the right one. Looks like SecuX into payment and other things also. So they have a couple of other more applications targeted to different things. So I downloaded the app, and as you can see, download the app step one, right? SecuX would like to use Bluetooth. This is the Apple security, right? Just want to make sure or give you a heads up that this is the app you're going to use Bluetooth. Are you okay with that? Yes, of course, I'm fine with that. Let me create the password. Okay. So you have to create some alphanumeric password, and maximum you can go is like a 16 digit. So I created the password, and now I am into the app. Okay. So you have to read through this terms of use. Obviously, nobody reads that, but scroll through the end, and you can hit accept. Okay. Now the app on my mobile is actively trying to reach the hardware wallet. Okay. And as you can see, device is not found because Bluetooth on my phone is enabled. I have the app on the other side. The hardware wallet should be powered on and have the Bluetooth button turned on. Okay, and that's why it was not able to detect that. So what I'm showing you on my screen, that my phone has my Bluetooth enabled. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on my hardware wallet and first enter the pin so that I'm inside the wallet, and then enable um, and then go ahead and enable Bluetooth there. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now, and this is step 2. Okay. So you should have Bluetooth enabled on your phone. You should have V20 powered up and Bluetooth enabled. Okay, and now it's trying to search for device. Okay, let me try one more time. It took a little bit of time. Yes, now you can see my V20, which I named as Amit, is available. So I want to connect to that. You cannot connect without the OTP. So your OTP will be shown on your V20 wallet. Read that OTP and type in here. Okay, so I'm reading the OTP from my V20 screen. I'll show you how it looks later, and then I'm saying connect. Okay, so the very first time when you connect, it says that if your hardware or your operating system is very old, you need to update it. So I said, okay, go ahead and update. When you say that, it actually go to that app store and find the right firmware update app for you, which you can download. As you can see, I downloaded that, and when I open that, so this is not every time, you don't have to do it. It's just the first time, or if it's been powered off for a very long time. Okay, so we navigated to a different app now, SecuX Firmware Updater. Okay, so think of it as exception. Choose your device. This is V20. Okay, I want to update firmware. And what is new in this firmware? It's like Ethereum message format improvement, firmware version and all. But I recommend you keep your firmware updated all the time. Okay, because many times you never know. So there are some bug fixes or some vulnerability address. So it's always recommended to keep your firmware updated. All right. Now what you have to do, you have to pick up your V20, connect the USB cable, turn off SecuX device, okay? Because your SecuX device is right now, it was powered on. It has Bluetooth connection with your phone. Now to update the firmware, what you have to do, you have to first power it off, all right? When you power it off, next time while turning on, press the power button for 10 seconds, okay? What happened when you press it for 10 seconds, the long press, V20 realize that you want to go into firmware update mode, and that's what happens, right? So screen breaks into, or the boot process lands you into firmware upgrade mode, and now you have to connect the USB with a power cable source. Why it is important? Because during firmware update, if V20 get powered off for some reason, that can actually sabotage your device, right? So it's very important that you keep the V20 powered on with USB power cable. Okay. As you can see on my screen, welcome to SecuX update mode. That's what happened when you do a long press. Okay. So I just wanted to show you how it looks in V20. Okay. Ready to update? I'm ready because I have the USB cable connected. Say update now. Connection established, firmware downloaded, firmware verified very quickly because it's not too heavy. Now what is it? It is trying? It is trying to actively install the firmware on my SecuX device. All right. While it is happening, let me talk about the left screen, which is kind of like static for during the entire video. We are focused on this mobile device side of the house, but you can always connect your V20 to computer via USB cable or via Bluetooth. Pretty much the same thing what we are doing with mobile app. Okay, firmware update complete. Okay, my wallet did turn on, and I didn't enter wrong pin 5 times. So I know what is my pin, and firmware update complete. My device turned on properly. No issues there. Now let's go back to SecuX mobile app, the actual app where you are going to do all the functionality. Enter the password. The password what we created initially when we first downloaded the app, right? So note down that password. Enter the password. I'm doing that in the background. You may not see the password in my screen, and that's what I wanted. So once you enter the password, you are into the app. Okay. Now you can see this is the app look like. Okay. There are a couple of sections down there. We'll talk about that, but let's connect the V20. Okay. So you can log into your app anytime, but that doesn't mean that you are actively talking to your hardware wallet, right? Uh, you can see the balance and everything on your phone itself, but every time you really want to make any real-time transaction, you have to pair it with V20, and additional layer of security is not just Bluetooth, you have to do the OTP match as well. Okay, which I really like that. It's not just like a static pin, it's a real-time challenge and response. All right, let's go ahead and create a account. So I am going to create a SDN SecuX account, and this is, I chose the cryptocurrency or blockchain type of Ethereum, ERC20. Okay, because Ethereum has many more options, right? You have this big list of ERC20 token, which you can have in that Ethereum type of account. So you can have multiple accounts based on different blockchain technologies. Sorry. So my account, I named that SDN SecuX, and the type is, it's a Ethereum account. That means it is ERC20 account, and now I can add any token there, right? So let's go ahead and pick a random token, maybe uh, anything from here, or something which I hodl is XIO, XYO, Oracle. You can look for this. Really cheap, but it's quite potential currency. But that's the different thing. Okay, so I added the account and I added a token within that account. Okay, so and right now my balance is 0xy because I didn't make any transaction. I didn't buy anything, or I didn't sell or send and receive. Now what you can do, you can actually hit buy, and you can spend dollars, or I didn't check other currencies, but you can spend dollars and then you can buy Ethereum here, right? So there are a few nice things available, like FAQs, fees. So bank transfer, you can use your bank, you can use your credit card, debit card, and different types of fees associated with that. Of course, when you purchase any token, you have to pay the gas fees, especially if it is Ethereum, right? So how you can get started? You need a Quantify account, and you need to complete your KYC before you can go ahead and buy cryptocurrencies using your bank account or your credit card, right? And this is very important because we do not want any fake or any illegitimate transactions, right? Though you want security for your token, but we do not want any type of illegal or fake activity. So that's why the KYC is very important. Whenever you guys open a cryptocurrency account, make sure you complete your KYC. All right. Now this is the second thing. Other than buy, what you can do, if you are hodling something, if you have something in your account, you can send from hardware wallet. So you need to know the recipient address. Make sure you are sending to the right address, and make sure it is up to the right technology. That means if it is a Ethereum based token, ERC token address should be there, or if it is a Tron or Bitcoin, all those different families, right? And if you want to receive, this is my receive token, public address. It's really safe or okay to share it with anyone. Okay, no one can hack using your wallet address, but you can receive. All right, and the final tab is, as you can see, wallet connect, right? So a lot of Web3 platforms, like in other video I was talking about Sand, where you can gamers can go and play games and earn tokens. Those kind of Web3 platform, they actually rely um, on Wallet Connect. So anything, you can connect your hardware wallet using just scanning a QR code. All right. So these are the few things you can do. You can view your balance. You can actually buy or sell tokens. You can send and receive tokens, and you can connect to third-party Web3 enabled app using Wallet Connect. So four major pillars, which are all shown here: portfolio, buy and sell, send and receive, and Wallet Connect. All right. SecuX mobile app, make sure you pick the first one. It's not rated great right now, but it's okay. And that's it. I know we didn't buy or sell anything in this part one video, or neither we send or receive anything. So I am hoping that I'll make one more video where we actively, if not buy and sell, because I'm not sure if I want to open an account with Quantify. but at least I'll try to send and receive and show you in real time. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.